thought is we add class sections or course sections. So I named here's my sandbox. If I go, where did I go first? To my dashboard. Okay, and then I go into that course. I've named my first module Back to School, but that's neither here nor there. So if I go down on the left, I just saw it, go to settings, and then here there's sections. And if I go to sections and I add a new section, I can do 3A, Ms. Steinley, 3B, Frau Goldman, 3C, Ms. Cohn, 3D, Frau Fisher, late in the day typing, and then 3E, Mrs. Finley, and then we have sections, right? Those are the course sections, I think, and I think we can, okay, that's my, never mind. So that I think could work. Sorry, I'm now getting a little lost. So that I think could work, and then can we go in here and then we could edit this. I can put my start date. Oh, way long, far in the future, end date. And then update. And then I must, however kids would enroll, that should let them see, right? Can I see a student view? Oh, but they haven't, nothing has been. So never mind. So that I don't know, but that's my thought.